So welcome back to another video. Just wanted to show you some swatches of my homemade granulating watercolours. So if you remember, I've posted a video about how to make them, and here was the swatch that I originally looked at, the 8 colours that I created using stones and Sennelier pigments mainly, and some Brusho added in various places. Anyway, this is a swatch that I wanted to discuss. So here was the burnt sienna, which also has the sort of finely ground stone particles in. I've lifted back out here and you can see it lifts out very well, so that's really good in terms of transparency. I've just popped in these permanent marker pen lines. So this is PBR7, non-staining, obviously, and transparent, and a lot of granulation. So I'm really happy with that. Moving on, we have this green earth mineral that I created using PBR7, PB29, some Brusho lemon, which you can see sort of permeating through. This is definitely staining. I'd say it was probably medium staining. And it's semi-transparent, obviously you can see there, but granulates really well. The next colour is the ultramarine deep. This blue is PB29. Non-staining, you can see the way that it's lifted back out there, and obviously transparent, lovely granulation in there as well. Moving on. This is PB29, which is the ultramarine deep plus some Brusho scarlet. I'm calling it ultramarine scarlet. It's medium staining. You can see the red of the Brusho coming through there, and obviously semi-transparent, but again beautiful granulation. Next one is burnt umber mineral, and that was PB7, PBR7 rather, and PB29. It's non-staining, it's lifted out well, it's transparent, it's got good granulation in there as well. Next colour, if we can get that through. There we go. Is, just move these out. It's PY43, it's a raw sienna stone colour. It's non-staining, it's been lifted out quite well, it's transparent. Granulation is not as good as the other colours, but it's still partially granulating. The next colour that we have is the Indian ink, PB7, PB29 put together. We've got a sepia tone. It's non-staining, you see it's lifted out well, and it's transparent and lovely granulation. And the final one, which is my least favourite of all of them, was a combination of PB29, that was the ultramarine deep blue, the PBR7, which was the burnt sienna, the Brusho scarlet, some India ink. Probably wouldn't put that in next time because it's made it incredibly staining, high staining I would say, and it's opaque without a shadow of a doubt. There's a permanent marker line there, look, and it's hard to distinguish. You can see I've tried to take some out, but it's just not really doing much. There's a little bit of granulation in there. But that was the biggest fail in terms of the 8 colours that I created. Anyway, I thought I'd just give you a quick update and just show you how it goes from darker down to granulating to lighter sort of tinted washes. And yeah, they look nice there all the way through. As I said, the only one I didn't like was the mineral black at the end. But otherwise, big success. Just as a quick reminder and a final thing, if you remember, I created them and popped them into this palette, which was empty at the time. Created the colours, and there they are. And that's the colours again with all the details on them. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, to like, to comment, and we'll catch you back again soon. Happy painting.